Okay, so we're gonna take a bit of a look at the MetaHumans for Unreal Engine and get a feel for what kind of possibilities we can get from them. There is a significant amount of stuff to cover with this. So this is certainly just going to be a very basic rundown and play around. But yeah, I think we'll be able to find some pretty cool functionality with this component and this content. So that's really what this is about, just getting a feel for it and having a bit of fun with it and seeing what we can come up with. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the MetaHuman Creator. So it's pretty easy to find. First link. When you get there, you're going to want to sign up. So this is all completely free. So you're going to want to go ahead with that process and sign up or continue with your Google account or whatever. Once you have done that, you'll then, at the time of this video, be required to sign up for early access to the MetaHuman Creator, which is also free, and it's an instant process. You'll just need to fill in a couple of details, submit that, and then you'll be given access to the MetaHuman Creator. So once you've done that, you'll be able to move on with the next step, and we'll actually create a MetaHuman and bring that into one of our Unreal projects. So once you're signed up, you'll be able to access the MetaHuman Creator platform in the cloud. So we've got several starting characters we can use. So you can see there are several varieties, shapes and forms. So we just want to go ahead and select any character. So it's prepared that, and then we just want to go and create selected. So at this point, we can go ahead and customize our character. So I'm not going to spend too much time here, but higher level, we've got this blend functionality where we can drag different faces onto these icons, and we can essentially come over to the face and influence the features based on which direction we're choosing. So obviously if we go up, we're going more for the features of this bloke. If we go down to the bottom left, we're sort of more targeting Ada. So yeah, you can experiment with that and get it to your liking. I'm not going to worry about any of that. So yeah, have a look through there, play around and get it to your liking. And once you have done that, it should automatically save those changes. So you'll be able to come back to the home. I can see Hudson is now present in my MetaHumans. So now we can go ahead and start importing this character into Unreal Engine.